Oh, wow. We are live. That's amazing. That's nice. Finally, we can't miss Sunday night live with DevOps engineers. Okay, amazing, amazing. Someone says, Baj gaye 10. Okay, nice. Munish says, hello. Prabhuji Vlog says, hi. Oh, nice. Great, great, great. Hardik is here. So good to see you all. Okay, amazing. Hello, hello, Hardik. Hello. Awesome, awesome. So everyone is here. We'll be doing something different today. We'll be talking in English because there is a big surprise coming. Okay, okay. Hi Uday. Hello Raju. Hello Raat mein Shubham bhai. So Sunday night live we can't miss, right? We can't miss Sunday live. Okay. Hello Shubham. Hello. Hi Keshav. Hi. So good to see full energy this time also. I am always energetic. You can't take away the energy from me. Take everything. You can't take away the energy. Okay, amazing, amazing. Hi Diksha, hi Sayed, hi Shivam. Batch 3 is here. Oh wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Hi. Okay. So let's do something amazing today. Hoping for Monday motivation. So the only Monday motivation is that you have to improve your speaking capabilities. So English speaking skills you have to improve. So we'll be trying to speak in English throughout the session. Okay. So Yash says today's class was best. Now I feel I know a hell lot of Linux. Amazing, amazing, Yash. Amazing. Keep it up. Amazing. Nice. Jitendra from batch 3. Amazing, amazing. There's a there is something interesting coming in next 5 to 10 minutes. So stay tuned. And you'll be surprised why I am speaking so much in English. So if you are ready, then drop a boom in the chat, drop a fire in the chat, drop some booms in the chat. Hello, Bhaiya from batch 3. Amazing. Good. So Jay says, hello Shubham, your video with Paras was really motivating. Thank you so much. I really wish you all uh, super duper, learnings so that you also can crack companies like Google, Amazon, and do well in life. Amazing. So Prateek says, best topic today. Yeah, the topic is interesting. And if you think the topic is interesting, drop a boom in the chat and do like this video. The moment you like the video, it sends an indication to YouTube algorithm that there is something serious happening here. There is something interesting happening here, and that will basically bring out the best from the community. The people who don't know about us will start knowing, and that's how we grow as a community. Amazing. How to speak fluently in English? The only way to speak fluently in English is do what right now I am doing. I'm taking my fear of speaking in English away and I'm speaking English with you all. So that's the way you learn to speak English. I think so. Amazing. So Guru is here saying boom. Like ही नहीं करते comment भी करो, share it. Nice. Do share it. Okay. Zero to hero in English. Yes, zero to hero is coming in English. There will be a link in the comments or in the description somewhere. So there's a form you have to fill. Okay. When will be there a batch 4? Batch 4 won't be there. There won't be a batch 4. There will be an English batch starting soon. I'll be talking about that. The moment total number of viewers reaches 100, we will start the session. So it's your responsibility to just click that share button and post it to your network, telling that, hey, there is someone who is talking about the future of DevOps in startups. So that's something you don't want to miss. Okay, amazing. Give coupon code for batch 3. I want to enroll. The coupon code is LATE because you are late. Okay. Nice. Amazing. So good to see you all. The moment we reach 100 viewers, we will be starting our session. So make sure you're sharing this link in our WhatsApp group. Make sure you're sharing this link in our Telegram group. Make sure you're sharing it on LinkedIn, everywhere. Oh, we just hit 100. Let's get started. Let's get started. Amazing, amazing. So much energy in the chat. Amazing. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. On a Sunday night, this kind of energy you're showing. Amazing. No one is partying. Everyone is here to learn something. Amazing, amazing. Boom. 102 are watching. That's how we do it. Amazing. 100 plus reach. Let's get started then. Let's get started. I hope my screen is visible. How many of you can see my screen? I hope you all are able to see the screen. I hope you are able to recognize this person who is in the photos. Amazing. So recently I gave a speech, I gave a seminar at COEP, and that was one of the proudest moment of my life, because same college I tried getting an admission, I could not clear it, because COEP is like one elite college of Pune, Maharashtra, also India, and I couldn't get into it, but somehow I was invited to it. So that is one memory which I wanted to share, and these are the photos which we clicked. So yeah, Akash is here. We have Ashfaq from batch 3. We have Uday. We have so many people who attended the seminar live. And I thought the seminar which I conducted live, I thought that why not I should share the same seminar with you all. Okay. So that everyone who could not join us at COEP will now be able to see or watch the seminar. How many of you think it's a good idea that whatever learning I shared on that platform on COEP live audience, same I could share with everyone, whoever is watching this video? How many of you think it's a good idea? If you think it's a good idea, just write let's go in the chat. Just write let's go in the chat, and we will be starting soon. Just like write let's go in the chat. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Superb. So Munikesh says awesome, good idea. Amazing. It's a great idea. Okay, I can see some let's go. I can see some let's go in the chat. Awesome. So let's go. The topic which we will be talking today is the future of DevOps in startups and my key learnings about it. So, when we talk about future of DevOps, let's understand what is DevOps. DevOps basically it's a methodology which allows you to have certain processes which combines basically your development teams and operation teams so that they can work collaboratively. So when you think about DevOps, it's not just using Jenkins or using the best cloud or using the best tools out there. It's basically mindset, a methodology which you follow in order to automate things, in order to make things easier for your developers, for your development teams, testing teams. And this thing, particular thing, is the future. Why? Because automation is the future, scalability is the future, monitoring is the future. And whatever we will be talking throughout this session will be very important in terms of how you, as an aspiring DevOps engineer or an aspiring architect, will be contributing to startups basically. Why startups? Why not MNCs? Because being from a startup background, I have really humble beginnings with startup background. I know in and out of how a startup works, how startup people generally work. So that's why the topic is related to startups only. So let me take you to back to 2018 when I joined my first job in a startup. So I had a lot of expectations, by the way, that there will be a MacBook given, there will be a separate cabin for me, there will be such good ambience, coffee machine, and so much things happening. But in reality, there was one table. Yeah, there was MacBook. MacBooks were, that's something which we can't compromise on. There was MacBook, but there was one table on which everyone used to sit. Okay. And if you see this guy here, I hope Jitu sir, if you're watching, Jitu bhai. So this is Jitu bhai. He is a developer. He was a developer at my first job. And the person who is sitting here, I could not get his face. He's Radhe. So Radhe was CTO, okay, Chief Technical Officer. And this guy used to code, and CTO used to deploy his code. Think about it again. Take two steps backward. Developer used to write the code, and the CTO used to deploy his code to AWS cloud. Can you see DevOps here? Development, operations happening on the same table. Okay. And that's how I was introduced to DevOps. That there's a developer who has written some code and he has put on GitHub. Now, this particular guy who is now having KitKat and I don't know what all things is now making sure of taking that code from GitHub, building it, making sure all test cases are passed, and deploying it on AWS cloud. Now, this was DevOps in action right in front of my eyes, but I didn't know what to call it. There was no such term like DevOps engineering in our startup, but we were doing DevOps. So you can imagine there will be so many companies, there will be so many startups who are actually practicing DevOps, but they are not aware that what all tools to use, what all processes or methodologies to use, or what is the best practices to follow in order to help these development teams deploy their applications. How many of you are with me? How many of you are with me and they have understood how my first startup, what was my expectation and what reality I got? I got to see how teams work in front of my eyes. There was no such development team or DevOps engineering team. We all were software engineers and we were doing the thing which we are talking that DevOps is the future. Okay, so we were doing that. How many of you are with me? Nice, nice, amazing, amazing, superb. Now things have changed. Okay, things have changed. Things have been going in a really amazing direction. So let's take you back to 2018 when I was in Coin Delta. So Coin Delta was the name of the company where I was working. It's again a startup. So we were using AWS Cloud as the cloud service provider. We were using Docker to build our systems, okay, build our applications, but there was no monitoring, okay, there was no dedicated DevOps team. Can you see this right in 2018? And trust me, Coin Delta backend, Coin Delta frontend, the application was amazing. It was superb, but it had no monitoring. It had no dedicated DevOps team. We were using Docker. We were deploying our workloads on AWS infrastructure, which was amazing. Okay. But we were missing on DevOps teams. We were missing on monitoring. Somehow the startup didn't really do well, and I had to switch my job in 2019. And in 2019, I joined another startup. So Heap Trace, when I say IN, it's India basically. So it's an India-based startup. I joined another startup called Heap Trace, where again everything was working on AWS cloud. But I understood that on in Coin Delta we had something known as Docker, which was helping out a lot, which was helping the applications a lot. But when Docker was integrated with Jenkins, we could automate everything via CI/CD pipelines. So back in 2019, I learned Jenkins and Docker, the combination of two, and everything was deployed on AWS cloud. You can see the shift, right? How I learned my key learnings, as the title suggests, how I learned DevOps. Okay. Now, this way we could develop more practices. We could have better methodologies of collaborating with development and operation teams. Now, there were servers who needed bulk updates. Let's say 50 servers who wanted some updates. We used Ansible. And I understood that Coin Delta had this thing missing called monitoring. So we introduced Elastic Logstash Kibana, the Kibana dashboard, so that we could get the logs, we could monitor things. So that is how some way the train went ahead, the truck or something that went ahead. Okay. And with this learning, I continued one more year in Heap Trace. Okay. Now the clients started coming. The clients started coming and they used to say that, hey, AWS is fine, but we need our workloads on GCP as well, Azure as well. And that's when we realized that, hey, AWS is not only the answer, multi cloud is the answer. Multi cloud, if you have specific requirements from specific clients, then multi cloud is the answer. So we started working on AWS, Azure, GCP, and things like that. One good thing, having experience of AWS cloud gave me some kind of confidence that, hey, Azure is nothing but it's just change of names and change of UI. Background is just cloud service provider. Okay. And same with GCP. But we understood that, hey, we are doing something good here. We are adding monitoring, we are adding CI/CD, we are doing something good here. So we added Sonar Cube, we added testing policies, we added best code penetration testing, we added everything, and we started DevOps culture at Heap Trace. So we set up a dedicated DevOps team who will have knowledge about all these tools and who will collaborate with developers in order to automate their workflows onto the cloud. Okay. And that's what happened in Heap Trace. The DevOps culture, the mindset was evolved. And with that learning, I switched to a remote startup, which is Vamsta, and it had amazing culture. If you are someone who is looking for like amazing culture, amazing tech, just visit Vamstar. They are just doing amazing. They're phenomenal at their tech stack. The CTO is amazing. My managers are just brilliant, and we have DevOps culture. We use automation in everything. Okay, so Slack automation, Kubernetes, AWS Fargate, Circle CI Prefect, all of the tools are top notch. All of the tools, techniques which are used is just amazing. And this is basically 2021. If you see closely, we who were doing best startups and best things in IT industry was not aware about all these things, was not aware about automation, was not aware about scheduling, was not aware about things like AWS Fargate or Batch. So whatever we did at Vamstar, it's quite recent, quite advanced, and that is the future of DevOps, using latest technologies and solving such problems which were not solved before. So, why I love the way these people are working? They're solving a problem which is not previously solved. And for that, they're using the best minds out there, best technologies. And coming to 2022, which is the present, we are using the best technologies like serverless, infrastructure as code. We even have data ops, the way you manage and automate data for data engineering pipelines, data ops. We have security called DevSecOps, where security plays a very important role. We have machine learning models and we use ML ops. So infrastructure as code, data ops, ML ops, DevSecOps, these things are the future. If you are solving a problem which basically involves automating your workloads, scalability, and going one step ahead of from what you were doing before, that is the future. That is how you grow. And every startup who has pitched on Shark Tank or is now incubator, is working at an incubator, will go through this paradigm shift, will go through this kind of whatever dots I have connected here. It will go through it. And best thing would do is join these startups and apply such kind of knowledge to those startups. Tell them that, hey, I think you are missing on Slack automation. I think you're missing on Sonar Cube. I think you're missing on multi-cloud. I think you're missing on monitoring. I think you're missing on infrastructure as code. So, as a fresher, as someone who is new coming up with ideas, learn from the technologies which others are using and try to implement in your own startup or in some companies which you are applying to. Okay, I hope it makes sense. If it makes sense, just put something in the chat so that, okay, okay, I can see, okay, people are coming. Okay, I can see some OMG in the chat. Okay, I think this is a good three-letter word. So if you think this makes sense, just put an OMG in the chat, OMG in the chat, so that I'll know that, oh, something is happening here and people are listening to me. Just put OMG in the chat, just like Abhi Vishwakarma vlogs are putting. Amazing, superb, amazing. Okay, so yeah, if you take this into consideration that there will be teams who doesn't know how to deal with automation and scalability of the way they are handling their data, you can introduce data ops. If you don't know how the teams are managing their machine learning models, you must have heard about chat gpt and GPT-4 in the pipeline. GPT-4 is released, by the way. And how are these people managing, monitoring, and actively implementing the changes to these models? They're using ML ops. So think about it. What are these ops? These are operations which allows the scalability automation part of your workloads. Okay, be it data, be it machine learning, be it security, be it chat, be it services, everything will be associated with ops or with some kind of functionalities that will keep things going with lesser manual intervention. Okay, so if you can see here, we did not have monitoring. That's why we have to check all the logs manually. But here in HeapRace, we could get all of the metrics, we could get all of the charts. So life became easier. Here, everything was automated. Life became much more easier. Every prefect gave us scheduling, so everything became, we used to sleep and everything was going in automated way. And finally we used MLOps, DevSecOps, DataOps to give the best out there. So yeah, this is the future. The way you think how you can improve the experience of your development teams, the experience of your data engineering teams, the experience of your data science teams is the future for DevOps. So, with that being said, why DevOps will boom? DevOps will boom because automation is the key to scalability. There will be 10 people using your applications, but you never know that you are building $1 million startup and there will be 1 million people using that. So you need to scale up. You need to scale in such a way that everything is automated and all you have to do is just press a button and just enjoy. That's why you need infrastructure as code. That's why you need multi-cloud. That's why you need ops. Okay, so data would be needing ops, even quality assurance, QA. QA ops will be an emerging field for sure. Security and services would be needing ops. Machine learning would be needing ops. So this is why DevOps will be booming in the future. And this is the opportunity to grab. This is the opportunity where you will be learning these tools, where you will be understanding that why Linux is so important, why understanding these tools, why automation is so important. And with that being said, I hope I have ignited a spark in your mind that, hey, if I start today, if I invest some time in my DevOps journey, maybe there is a beautiful future, a world full of possibilities waiting for me as a DevOps engineer. So I hope you have some questions. So if you have some questions, why don't you subscribe to Train with Shubham and join the amazing DevOps community and just shoot out all of the questions, shoot out all of the thoughts that you have in your mind right now in the comment, and I'll be answering all of them. So the summary of my talk is over, and we will be opening the room for more questions. So I hope you all are doing well. Okay, amazing. So someone said भाई आपकी इंग्लिश तो खतरनाक है. Okay, thank you. So Guru says DevOps will be evolving into SRE, platform engineering. That's for sure. That's for sure. Yes. Amazing. I have to join batch 3. Is it possible? Mm, I don't know. It is definitely possible, but yeah. I have something interesting to tell, that I will be launching. Why? The reason why I am speaking so much in English is because I want to do something for the English community as well. Yeah, you heard it right. Train with Shubham will not only cater to Hindi audiences, but it will expand its horizons to English as well. So if you know anyone who can't speak Hindi, who can't understand Hindi and wants to become a DevOps engineer, there's something in the link given in the description box. You must read it and you must share it with them. I'm coming up with DevOps Zero to Hero course now in English. Yes, you heard it right. I hope my English is not that bad to teach you or to train you in English in DevOps. I hope you understand my English. I don't think it's that bad. Okay, amazing, amazing. So now, questions. How do you see DevOps future after 10 years? I see it very bright. I see the future of DevOps just amazing. Okay. Because when I started 5 years back, I did not know I was doing DevOps engineering. I did not know that. Okay. I had no idea I was doing DevOps engineering, but we were doing it. In Heap Trace or the next organization which I mentioned, we were doing it. Next, it became a culture. Okay. So yeah, that's how things go. There is a great future waiting for DevOps. Okay, you're good, brother. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. शुभम, मैं आईटी सर्विस डेस्क में वर्क करता हूँ. मैं डेवऑप्स में आना चाहता हूँ, बट मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती. इट्स फाइन ना, यू कैन लर्न कोडिंग. योर इंग्लिश इज एक्सेलेंट, ब्रो. थैंक यू सो मच. I spend good amount of time speaking with myself and this camera. So yeah, bro, please reply. Bro, 2017 BCom, no IT experience. Can I go as a fresher? Okay, I have seen people from BCom transitioning to DevOps, and there's a lot of possibilities coming. So if you know these skills, if you have the mindset of automating things, solving problems which were not solved before, I think that's it. Is that we also learn language in your Zero to Hero course? I have already made a Python for DevOps course and I've made it free. It's a masterclass. I've made it free. Anyone can learn coding from that particular 3-hour masterclass. I think anyone can. Okay. Shubham bhai, will you please say to Raju to pick a call? He is watching your video. Hey Raju, please pick up a call. Engi Gamers is getting quite restless. Oye Raju, call pick up kariyo. Okay. What a nice session. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Abhi Vishwa Vlogs. Thanks a lot. भाई इंग्लिश की बैच कब स्टार्ट होगी अप्रोक्सीमेटली? इंग्लिश बैच के बारे में बता दो. तो भैया इंग्लिश बैच के बारे में बता दे. कहा गया अपना इंग्लिश बैच? इंग्लिश बैच, the date, it's decided in my mind. Do you all want me to just announce it right now? The date is decided in my mind, by the way. So if you want, I can basically tell you. But yeah, let's keep it a secret. Let's keep it a secret. Okay. Let's not spoil everything. Okay. Nice, bro. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What a session, bro. Great. It would have been amazing if you would have joined live in Pune, because the session which I've completed in 30 minutes went to 1 hour at COEP. Okay. So, yeah. Is it good for totally non-tech person who wants to start from DevOps? Yeah. Bai had 3 interviews DevOps, but no working. What about DevOps future? DevOps future is amazing, and you should be learning a lot of tools. I can, based on my experience, I can say that every developer will also write his or her own Docker files or his or own manifest files. There will be a time. Okay. Awesome. Hoping for a session in live in Delhi. If someone from Delhi invites me, I will be happy to come, happy to fly or take a train or take a bullock cart to Delhi. I will be happy to come there. Don't you think that what automation is done by DevOps right now can be replaced by AI in future? See, AI in future will be acting as an assistant to your DevOps engineer or your developers. So think of AI as a helping hand. Okay, AI was there since a long time. Okay, so if you can, if I say okay Google, so you can see my, you can't see my phone is there open. He's waiting. He's bichara lying there, waiting to assist you. AI has been there for a long time. Just now, Chat GPT came and basically shook everything. That's the reason why AI has been becoming popular, because everyone got a really easy access to it. AI has been there as an assistant since a long time. Okay, and no, it won't be replaced, it will be assisted. So the person who knows how to use AI better will be doing something amazing in the coming years. So yeah, play he Shubham song. Okay, okay, amazing. Is there any possibility for Chat GPT to replace DevOps job in future? Because at present it can generate full code. So every time I am answering one question, you have to give a like. Okay, that's non-negotiable. Okay. So every time I answer one question, you have to give a like and you have to share this video. So I'll keep on answering more questions. Is there any possibility for Chat GPT to replace DevOps job in future? Because at present it can generate full code. See, try generating a full code from Chat GPT. It won't run in the first go until and unless you keep on prompting it. Hey, this is not working, can you please update it? Hey, this is not working, can you please update it? So Chat GPT is evolving, but again, all these things were already there in Stack Overflow as well. Okay, Stack Overflow also, if you write that this is not working, some of the good community members, they also gave code. And basically what this Chat GPT is doing, based on all of the scraped data, it is just combining things and giving you an answer which is accurate to a certain level, and that is why everyone is scared. But if you think it as an assistant, then no one can replace human intelligence. Okay, so and plus Chat GPT is trained till 2021 data only, so there are limitations. Okay, shout out for me, sir. Abhi Vishwa Vlogs. Everyone should definitely check out Abhi Vishwa Vlogs. That's good. Thank you. भाई इंग्लिश का कोर्स नेक्स्ट मंथ से करो ना प्लीज भैया, नेक्स्ट मंथ से ही हो रहा है. ओके, ओ आई डिड नॉट give that, right? So yeah, DevOps Zero to Hero English will start from 8th April. Yeah, next month. The classes will be in the evening, not in the morning, because morning is reserved for my batch 3 students. Batch 3, my favorite one. And the new favorites will be coming in the evening. So yeah, also there is no prerequisite required. You don't have to know anything. Just that if you're willing to sit with me for 2 hours listening to my English, if you think my English is fine, then please do come. You will be getting 6+ projects, you will be getting job assistance, mock interviews and resume reviews, and a lot of tools and technologies to learn from. So yeah, that's the proposition for English course, which is starting from 8th April. If you are interested, there is a link in the description. If you are watching from LinkedIn, there will be a link in the comments. There's a form you have to fill. So only the people who are interested will be admitted. Okay, I will be personally calling them, and if they are interested, if they're willing, then only they will be enrolled. This won't be like ki everyone is welcome. No, no, there are limited seats for this one. So make sure if you are really interested, and if your friend wants, so you can share with them. So yeah, that's something which I wanted to talk. Okay, surprise tha ye. Totally. Hey, I am a Linux support engineer. Can you please tell me if I am attending your course so it will be job place guarantee? See, If I am guaranteeing you that you will get a job, I am lying to myself and I'm lying to you as well. Okay, because job guarantee is a myth. Every person who gets a job is totally getting it because they're performing well in the interviews. I won't be giving interviews on your behalf. I won't be going and attending multiple rounds of technical and HR interviews. I won't do that. So I can't give a job guarantee. I can give one guarantee, that you will be learning the best. You have all of the reviews which you can read in these comments and or on my website or anywhere. So don't think that getting a course will guarantee you a job. No course can guarantee you a job. Your willingness to learn, your willingness to adapt, and your willingness to do well in life will definitely guarantee your job. Okay, not me, or not some course, or not some HR or something. Your willingness to do better than what you were doing yesterday will guarantee your job. Okay, nice. Bro, I'm calling you bro or bhai. Please don't mind. Sir is okay, but bro vibes better. Well, bro, I'm not that cool for bro and things. But yeah, you can call me DevOps wale bhaiya. That's something which I love. That's something which everyone loves calling me. So you, sir, it's gone. The days of sir and madams are gone. So you can call me DevOps wale bhaiya. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So course fees, you can definitely check. Everything is in the description. You just have to fill the form. That's all. That's all I'm asking. And if you have someone in mind who is looking for DevOps classes which are in English, so share the link. Amazing. Well said. Thank you so much. And that's how things are. Okay. Okay. Any other question? I think let's keep this session short and sweet. I have been teaching for the last how much? In the total weekend, I have been teaching for more than 8 hours. So I think I need a really good sleep and a really good relaxation. So I'll take your leave. So Praful is here. Hello, Praful. So yeah, if someone was asking, is there a job guarantee? So I never gave Praful a job guarantee, but Praful gave himself a guarantee that if I work hard every day, I'll get a job. And Praful has, I don't know, 6 offers, 7 offers, I don't know. We use many tools like Terraform, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Docker, but which one should master according to current tech? See, every tool has a purpose to serve. Okay, so if you're learning Linux, the purpose is to provide an operating system. If you're learning Docker, the purpose is to give a virtualized environment. If you're learning Terraform, the purpose is to give infrastructure as code. So every tool has its particular purpose. So you can't say that I need to master something. Okay, so you should be knowing all these tools. You should be making end-to-end projects with these tools, and that's how you grow. Okay, can you cover GitLab? I can, but I'm covering GitHub. Okay, nice. Hello, DevOps wale bhaiya. This is what I like. Amazing, nice. I've joined batch 3 and I'm rookie Ultra Pro Max in LinkedIn post and all. Any suggestion, please, how to start posting on LinkedIn? The only tip I will be giving to you is about starting today. Okay, just post something. Just post that I asked a question to Shubham that how I should be starting a LinkedIn, and here I am writing my first post, and I will be committing to this learning process, and I'll be making more such posts to add value to your lives. And yeah, that's how you write a post. Okay, bye. We'll keep learning with you. Do support us. You're true. Thanks for the update. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bhaiya, please take an alumni talk which are plays and going to place. The alumni talk has already happened. Please check the latest video on Train with Shubham channel. This channel. How to place a finger. This one. Okay. Roadmap for full stack DevOps batch 3. Boom. Okay. How many of you are here from batch 3? Just write a boom in the chat. And the people who are not from batch 3, even they should write a boom in the chat. English के बैच में इंटरव्यूज का सेशन मिलेगा, डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. English batch won't be anything different from Hindi batch. The reason is, one, I want to improve my English skills. Two, I want to help out more people. I want to help out more people of India who could not understand Hindi. Simple. Amazing. Amazing. Okay then. I think that's all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed the session. If you had a good time, please give this video a thumbs up and post it on the LinkedIn or Instagram or whatever you use for your social media. I'll be happy to reply and to understand how you found the session. So yeah, that is all from my side. Boom, boom, boom. I can see a lot of boom. Amazing. I can see a lot of booms in the chat. Shakalaka boom, boom. Okay. Boom, shakalaka. Nice. I want to join your batch. Really love your style. Problem is, I already joined Praveen's course. Okay, no comments. Okay, then. I will see you all in the next video. So, dekho, the people who don't understand Hindi, there are two things which I can't compromise. First thing is, hello दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है ट्रेन विद शुभम चैनल पे. दिस इज नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. ओके, यू हैव टू लर्न दीज वर्ड्स. हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है. यू ऑल आर वेलकम ट्रेन विद शुभम चैनल पे ऑन ट्रेन विद शुभम चैनल. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. आई डोंट नो, these are not non-negotiable terms. Okay, हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है ट्रेन विद शुभम चैनल पे. और यहां तक वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग टिल हियर. आई विल सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आपसे मिलता हूं मैं अगले वीडियो में. सो यहां तक वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. देखते रहिए ट्रेन विद शुभम चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.